Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I have my Macy's unboxing and my Ipsy unboxing, but it's going to be a while before I get to my Ipsy unboxing because it won't be here till the middle of the month, and I didn't want to take this from my parents all the way home where my Ipsy is going to be delivered. So I'm filming this really early because this got here really early in the month. Yeah. Macy's decided to do a Kylie Cosmetics bag this month, which I'm not super happy about because I'm thinking everything in here is probably going to be Kylie. And I'm not a Kardashian fan. I don't want to support them. So, yeah, I actually kind of like the bag though. It's like the material is soft and but it also feels substantial, so that part annoys me. This was not actually in it, so I stuck it in there, but this is what the bag looks like inside. I do like the color, so I will say that, like, I like the color, I like the feel of it. I just wish it didn't say Kylie Cosmetics all over it. As always, we have a $5 off of 20. I was hoping that we would get another 10 off of 40 because that one is just a much better one. This feels very light. This is way smaller than we normally get from Macy's, but let's see what's inside. So I guess technically we do have 6 in here, but 3 of them are foil packets. First up, we have a matte liquid lipstick. We have 2 of them in Coco K and in Mary Jo K. Don't know if those are supposed to be specific people. Ooh, that is a red. I'm going to pass that one along because, one, I don't need any more liquid lipsticks, and I especially don't need any in red. I have so many already, and I've been trying to like go through and decide what to declutter and everything. And this, so that was Mary Jo. This is Coco. I think this is going to be too light for my preferences as well, so I'm going to pass that one along too. We're not even going to be tempted by them. Then we have, from Kylie Skin, we have 3 little foil packets. I don't mind 1 foil packet, like when you get a perfume or whatever, but 3, that's kind of annoying. So we have a moisturizer, so that's probably, it feels pretty good size, so maybe 2 uses out of it. Then the clarifying exfoliating toner. I hate toners in foil packets because they're liquid. They're like straight water, basically. They just don't work very well. And then we have a makeup melting cleanser. So I guess it's like your first step. So yeah, I'll use that. But am I excited about these? No, but I am more excited about them than the lipsticks. I wish they were like lip glosses even. Like, I feel like those, I don't know. The colors would have been better. I guess we did get a full size. This looks like a full size anyway. This is the Kylash Volume Mascara, and it does appear to be a full size, and it very prominently tells you what it is. On it, it is raised, which is interesting. I haven't had a mascara like this before, and that's what the brush looks like. So I'll put it in my mascara stash. It is in the shade Black. It feels pretty light, so the component itself is pretty light. Overall, what do I think? Yeah, I'll try the mascara. Hopefully it's one that won't transfer. That's always the biggest thing with me. These 3 I will give a try, but I would have preferred just something a little bit bigger. And then the 2 lip gloss or 2 lipsticks, I don't know, like red. I don't need any more red lipsticks. I have at least 6 liquid lipsticks that are red that I need to use up, or they're just going to get decluttered eventually. And then this, I feel like it's going to be a little too light for me, and I feel like it will be just a little too much like concealer lips. Because like this lipstick is a good color, I feel, but I'm so pale otherwise it just kind of washes me out. So I think, yeah, I want to keep more. Like, I want to keep more from this, but I think I'm going to pass along those 2. And I just wish it wasn't all Kylie. And that, I mean, some people could be super excited about that. They might be huge Kylie Jenner fans. They might be huge Kardashian fans. But I still think my favorite thing is the bag. I just wish it didn't say Kylie on it. Anyway, Ipsy will be next. I have both my base, and then I was influenced and I ordered the icon box on August 1st. I have my glam bag finally. I also ordered the icon box because there was some stuff in the icon box that I was really interested in, seeing other people's unboxings on the 1st, those who got it in PR. So I ordered it. It still is kind of in transit. I don't know if it's actually gone anywhere yet. I just got an email yesterday about that they're giving me a $6 credit for September's add-ons when I do the choice on the 1st. So yeah, it's still not here. I'll do a separate video for it. But I did get the glam bag because I signed up after the 1st of the month. And it's a really cute bag this month. I like the color. I like the like felt lettering. I think it's just cute. I don't love the tag, or the pull, but that's okay. I did stick the card in here, and it's one of those cards that's worthless. It has absolutely no information on it whatsoever. So first up, I have from the Benefit, this is the Professional Matte Primer. I wonder if this is the same primer as like they've had in the past. I think I'm going to pass this along because matte primers have not been working with me very well the past few months. So I think I'm going to pass this along just because I'm doing better with like a hydrating or a silicone type primer instead of a mattifying primer. I was hoping online that they tell like the value of this, but they don't. So any of my sample sizes don't seem to have it written down, which is kind of annoying. Like I like having that information. Next up, I have this. This was my choice, I believe. This is from SL Miss Glam, and it is a eyeshadow P12. And it does have the little gemstones there. It seems like a pretty nice brush, so I will add that to my arsenal. Then we have from e.l.f. This is the Camo Liquid Blush. This is a huge liquid blush. I will not be using this, so I'm going to leave this right in the packaging. I have a couple of liquid blushes, but you know, you need so little of them, and they do get contaminated, and like this would take me absolutely forever. So I'm going to see if one of my friends can use this instead, because I know I just won't get around to using all of it. And I did look up the prices on the brush and the blush. So the brush is $21.50, which is ridiculous for a single brush. I know that small business and everything, but still, that's a lot. And then the blush is $7. Then I have from Miel, this is a honey infused sugar scrub. And I'm assuming this is a body scrub. I looked at it and I can't really tell, but I'm assuming it's a body scrub. And then last thing in here is the Kira Moon Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum with hyaluronic acid and melanin extract. So a nice little serum. I will definitely eventually use that. The sugar scrub I will use. The brush I will use. Normally I wouldn't be mad at getting a blush, just I don't really love liquid blushes. I have a few that like I said, I'm trying to use, but they're not my go-to. I enjoy my powder blushes so much more. And then a matte primer. I'm so oily usually, but I've just been finding that matte primers are not looking great on my skin anymore. So I'm going to pass those along. All in all, not a terrible month. I'm really looking forward to my icon box, actually. I think that's going to be a little more exciting, but let me know what you got in your glam bag. Let me know how you're doing, and let me know if you would rather have had the MACY'S with all of the Kylie cosmetics, or if you would rather have had this. If there's products that you'd use or not use, let me know down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.